Every year, Forbes releases different list of world's highest earning individuals in various categories. In this video, I am going to show you top 10 highest paid actors in 2020. You will be shocked after knowing their earnings this year. So just stick with this video till the end. Welcome to the Facts World. Before we begin, don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you can never miss any updates. Number 10. Jackie Chan. Chan is one of the most recognizable and influential cinematic personalities in the world. 6 decades into his career, the martial artist star is active as ever, making 5 movies in the past year. His estimated earnings is $40 million. He pads his film income with millions from endorsement and licensing deals. Number 9. Adam Sandler. Sandler is best known for his comedic roles. The comedian has found his home at Netflix. In January, he signed another deal to create 4 more movies for the platform after his film Murder Mystery became one of the streamer's most popular films of all time. His estimated earnings this year is $41 million. Number 8. Will Smith. Smith achieved modest fame as a rapper under the name The Fresh Prince. The Fresh Prince can still earn big checks for lead parts, such as his upcoming role in King Richard. He fills the earnings gaps with mobile phone hits, including a Snapchat series and his popular Instagram account. His estimated earnings is around $44.5 million. Number 7. Lin-Manuel Miranda. Miranda gained wider recognition for writing the script, music, and lyrics for Hamilton. Disney acquired worldwide movie rights to the original Broadway production of Hamilton for $75 million this year, putting Miranda on the list for the first time. His estimated earning this year is around $45.5 million. Now, number 6. Akshay Kumar. The only Bollywood star on this list, Kumar is working on his first television series, The End, for Amazon Prime. Most of his money though comes from endorsement deals. He sells for everything from multivitamins to toilet cleaners. His estimated earnings this year is around $48.5 million. Now number 5. Vin Diesel. Vin Diesel is an American actor and producer. He is best known for playing Dominic Toretto in the Fast and Furious franchise. His estimated earning this year is $54 million. Diesel still got a Fast and Furious payday for producing Netflix series Fast and Furious Spy Racers. Number 4. Ben Affleck. Ben Affleck is an American actor, film director, producer, screenwriter, and philanthropist. Affleck returned to the big screen this year. He was also in a Netflix film, The Last Thing He Wanted. He also starred in The Way Back, and his estimated earning this year, $55 million. Number 3. Mark Wahlberg. He is an American actor, producer, and former rapper. He has made millions producing the series McMillions and Wall Street. He had a big Netflix movie in the past year too, Spencer Confidential. His estimated earnings $58 million. Now, number 2. Ryan Reynolds. He is Netflix's current golden boy. He made more than $20 million apiece on 6 Underground and Red Notice. His estimated earning this year is $71.5 million. If you have found anything useful till now, then like the video and subscribe the channel. And who is your favorite in this list? Just let me know in the comment section. Now number 1, one of my favorites, Dwayne Johnson. The Rock tops the list for the second year in a row, thanks to $23.5 million check from Netflix for upcoming film Red Notice and his successful Under Armour line, Project Rock. His estimated earning this year is $87.5 million.